You are now watching Between Villains.
What is going on, villains? Welcome back. It's your host, Fleeta Villain, of course. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It's a new year. I wanted to start a new Marvel shelf. We kind of completed all the goals that we kind of set out to do, right? So we did the Spider-Man shelf, went crazy with that. We got the classic Avengers, Heralds, Galactus, Fantastic Four, X. We did it all. I wanted to start getting into the more niche team ups. So like Squadron Supreme, Midnight Suns, the Inhumans. The list kind of goes on with the niche teams that are available to build with these Marvel Legends toys. So I went ahead and started my Midnight Suns shelf a little bit early because we had some of the characters that we needed, basically, right? So we had Ghost Rider, we had Blade, had Mr. Knight, aka Moon Knight, we had Brother Voodoo, and we also had Morbius. We had some of the essential members of the Midnight Suns to start building that shelf, and as it turns out, of course, I started playing the game, and the game is fucking amazing. So we'll drop a video on that game later, but Midnight Suns is fucking dope, and apparently they're coming out with a new movie in the MCU, so I'm like, you know what, fuck it, let's build the shelf, let's get it out the way, because I felt like if the movie does come out with Mahershala Ali, Moon Knight, Man-Thing, Elsa Bloodstone, all those characters, that this shelf might be a little bit more expensive to make. I have one of the big pieces that finally came in. So this is basically a Midnight Suns shelf update, right? I got an integral piece to the shelf. I feel like if you're building a Midnight Suns shelf, you cannot have that shelf without a big centerpiece toy, and that's what we are here to unbox today, guys. So before we get into that, like I said earlier, make sure you hit that like and sub button, turn on post notifications on, and let's get into it. Get a lot of my toys from Big Bad Toy Store. Don't worry, I already X'd my address out. If y'all want to come and kill me, I can't do it no more. Looking to build a Marvel Legends collection, Transformers, DC, anything like that, hit up Big Bad Toy Store. They usually have a sale going on, and there's always a flat rate when it comes to shipping. So check out BBTS, very, very, very goated toy website. And let's go ahead and unbox this. Struggle this time. I got some scissors on deck. In my old unboxing videos, I used to fucking bare hand this shit. Very goated toy website, and I've never had any bad experiences with them. You know what I mean? They don't charge you for pre-orders until the order gets shipped out. But alright, here we go. Let's unbox this. They sent a little... Ooh, they sent some fucking awesome stickers. Look at these stickers, y'all. Some holiday stickers. They always have some pretty cool stickers. I got a Big Bad Toy Store sticker right there on the closet door. I don't know if y'all can see it. It might not be in frame. Add that to the pile of stickers we got here in the crib. And look, as you can see, came with some good bubble wrap, y'all. Came with some good bubble wrap. That's always a good sign of, quality shipping. Some other companies, bro, they'll send you a fucking toy raw dog, bro, if they could, I promise. So we're taking this out, put this to the side, and today we will be unboxing Marvel Legends Man-Thing. Now, this is my boy Ted. If you watch Werewolf by Night, this is him, right? This is based on that show, but very, very cool figure. It's going to stand right in with the rest of the Midnight Sun shelf. And yeah, man, I feel like when that Midnight Suns movie comes out, this shelf is going to be more expensive to make. So I'm jumping on it early. Fuck all that. This fucking character is very dope. If you read Marvel Comics, he has a lot of ties to the multiverse, the Nexus of Realities. He even has ties to Wolverine, Captain America, Weapons Plus, all of that. Ted is fucking cool. Very dope comic book character. I suggest you read in some of his books as opposed to just watching him in Werewolf by Night. He doesn't get a lot of backstory in that show, but here we have the fucking toy. This toy is awesome. Look, let's get a little close up. He looks like Cthulhu, right? Kind of like what he's based on. The comic book version came out. It was a Build-A-Figure, so you had to buy the whole set and then build the toy and shit like that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this, y'all. Fuck all that. Now these are the ones I usually just rip right open. In color, a year after it came out, and the show was fucking done. I keep saying the show. It was a short movie. It was maybe 50-something minutes. Very fucking cool though. They had Elsa Bloodstone, some other vampire hunters and shit like that. They should have found a way to include a Blade cameo, but whatever. This, fucking boxes, baby. So this is him, man. This is the Guardian of the Nexus of Realities. He does reside in the Everglades and shit like that, which turned out to be mystical in the MCU. Pretty funny, but very cool fucking figure. He doesn't really come with much, and I feel like this figure doesn't really need to come with much because he's just a very strong figure. He's very imposing on his own, and he's bigger than everybody else on my Midnight Sun shelf. So this came with two grabby hands, but the actual figure is dope. I got this figure on sale for $30 from Big Bad Toy Store. Like I said, tap in BBTS, Send the sponsorship money. Let's do it. Look at him. Look at my boy Ted. Very cool figure. You can see a lot of articulation. All right, you got your ab crunch, which is like the main important thing and shit like that. Like I said, a bare bones figure, but a figure that I feel like if you're building one of those dark mystical shells from Marvel, even if it's not Midnight Suns, if it's just like that corner of the Marvel universe, you need this figure. You know what I mean? And the fact that he's a deluxe figure now, and you don't have to go through the trouble of buying 6 fucking toys just to build them. You know what I mean? You can go and get Ted if you want. You guys let me know which toy I should unbox next, right? We'll put like a little poll or some shit in the video as well. And make sure you guys hit that like and sub button. The Midnight Sun shelf is not done though. We have a couple of more figures to get to, and we will in the coming weeks, y'all. Peace.